Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing you an unboxing for two things. Yeah, that's about it. This is going to be for my week 8 item and then another piece that I was really happy to get. So yeah, that is going to cover it in the end. Well, not the video, but that's going to cover what I'm unboxing. And yeah, that's the reason why I'm wearing blue, because of one of the pieces that I've got today that I hope matches this tone, because if not, it'll be the big error for me. But as per norm, let me know down below whether your items have arrived from week 8 yet. If they have, are you going to be stocking, rocking or reselling them? Other than that, that's about it. Do you have tracking for your item if it hasn't arrived yet? And yeah, I hope that it does arrive soon. And yeah, other than that, like I said, I'm going to try to get back into as much uploading, so I'm trying to record a lot of different things or just videos ahead of time. So yeah, let's just get straight into this, and that's about it. So yeah, okay, so you can see the Supreme piece and then the other piece. I'm going to push this to the side just for the time being whilst we open this. So obviously this is going to be my Miles Davis skateboard. My battery's about to die, seriously, I just started. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so like I was saying, this is my Miles Davis skateboard that I obviously picked up on Thursday. Plain and simple. So we are just going to open it straight up and hopefully have no issues unboxing it this time. Now, let's get some expectations or some predictions in, because I predict if I get a sticker pack, if I don't get a sticker pack, and then the ins and outs of that. So you've got 50-50 there, but then the kicker is that if I do get a sticker pack, I think I've got another, we'll go with a 33% on things. So I think that I've got a 33% on it being fine. I've got a 33.3 whatever on it having a box logo sticker that's bent. And then I've got a 33.3 for all of them to be bent. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, so now we've got that open, let's get the deck out. I'm not going to look, you're going to look first. Please say it's the right way up. It is the right colourway, it's not the right way up. Now it is. How does it look? Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, wow, okay, that's cool. Yeah, yeah. That's really nice. Just go like that so you can see it up close, but yeah, I really like that, so I'll sit that here. Right, now I haven't looked inside the box, so let's get our surprise. No sticker, really. They're gonna do me like that. Wow, I can't believe this. Oh, it's also I've just realised massive, I could have just opened it this side because there's a massive cut this side, but nevertheless, that is the skateboard opened, and yeah, that's about that. They did restock the black colourway and the green colourway a couple of times over the last day or so, but there are only 5 or 6 or 4 or 5 restocks in the black. There are at least 10 in the green, but yeah, that's about it in that. So now we can move on to the other piece, which I'd more so say is the main piece for this, because I'm happy about it and it means that I will probably be now getting rid of 4 or 5 pairs out of my collection, purely because I'm purseeing a lot of pieces. I don't know how to phrase it, I'm just wearing them. That's about it. I'm not making them do anything, I'm just wearing them. So yeah, this is a win, and this win is from Slam City, so I appreciate them. The last time that I won from them was for the Safari Dunks, and that was not in my size, which was great that I won something that wasn't in my size. Other than that, I have entered for the past 12 times, I believe, and since then I haven't been able to win. Funnily enough though, I put my personal email in for the first time, and I win. So with places like Flat Spot and Route 1, I might also give that a try with them. I don't know about Route 1 because it's account based. We'll see, we'll see. Yeah, let me try to do this. Hold that and cut this. Right, all done. So yeah, this is a personal, The box is damaged, but I couldn't care less because I'm going to be wearing them and I'll try them on in a minute. And yeah, I was not able to get the first like iteration, I guess you could call it, of these, which were the LVTHER dunks in the purple. You know, I wasn't really much of a fan of them. I don't know whether it's because the colorway, I just have nothing to go with it, or what it would be, but yeah, this box is it's really had a good beating, hasn't it? It's really, they've gone at it. But yeah, right, let's open it up anyway, and yeah. Oh, they're nice. They're really nice. Wow. Okay, let's just get them out anyway so you can see them. Move the box out of the way. Right, so these are obviously the Celadon dunks, however you want to pronounce it. It is what it is. There's some quality control issues, but at the end of the day, who cares? Colorway, yeah, it's more of a dark tone. I'd say it's darker than this, but at the end of the day, it's fine. Laces, we've got like an olive and then a blue. Blue matches this a bit better, but yeah, it also matches the swoosh or the tick, however you want to call it. But yeah, let's just put them so you can see them up close and everything. So there they are. It's not really a ton to say for them. Wait, I love this like splatter effect that they do for the base. I don't know what it is about it, but I'm just a fan of things that are like that. Yeah, I find that to be cool. But yeah, let's throw them on in the end, because why not? They're for the personal, so, and I'm not getting rid of them, so, because I really wanted a pair of these. There are a couple of dunks recently that I've really wanted. This pair is one of them. There are a couple of others, but I haven't been able to hit any of the others, and that just is what it is. I'm tearing this to pieces, which is great. There you go. But yeah, let's move this chair out of the way and let's throw these on. I probably don't have, well, I mean, yeah, the outfit's fine. The outfit's fine. I wear these shorts way too much, by the way. Like, I've got an unboxing set and I've got these on in there as well, or in that video. So don't, you know, just leave it alone. Just forget about it. I know that sometimes you shouldn't put shoes on like this or whatever, but yeah. It is what it is. Yeah, I like that colourway. That's a really cool colour. I think if it went with like that North Face, sorry, reflection. If it went with like that North Face fleece that I've got, that's got cream on it, I think I could get away with like the blending with this colour that's on it. But yeah, I don't really know how to like show them on feet. Like, I can put my feet up like that, but that's about the best that you're going to get out of this. I don't know why it's going so dark as well because of that. Like, it can brighten up a little, but yeah, I like them. That's the end result of this. I'm a fan of them, and yeah, when I do laces up a bit more, I think they'll feel a bit more comfortable. But yeah, other than that, like, that's basically it. Like, yeah, I like them. So, but yeah, as per normal, let me know down below whether you've had any recent pickups, whether you've had any dunks, whether your Supremes arrived, whether you've picked up anything else. I wanted to get a pair of like the Towley Adidas South Park Consortium, I think they were. Well, that's what they're called. But I wasn't able to get a pair, and I grew up on South Park, Family Guy, like most people, I think, would have grown up watching them. So yeah, I would have liked a pair, but it's all good, it happens. I'm happy with these at the end of the day. So yeah, that's going to cover it anyway. So like I said, if you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, I'll see you tomorrow for a drop list video. Yeah, that covers it. So I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.